So today we've taken the pellets out of some 12 gauge shotgun rounds and put some stuff in it. The first thing we're going to fire is just two 3/4 inch nuts stuffed into a 12 gauge round, and we're going to see what happens. As you can see, there's two holes, one from one nut, one from the other. Pretty big and went all the way through. So, alright. The next round is it's butyl. It's this weatherproofing. It's black. It's like rubber shit, and we're gonna see what that does. It actually, I didn't feel any recoil on that at all, but it still went through, so yeah, pretty fucked up. Alright, so the next round is this, it's basically like little nails, and they're on a strip, and there's 5 of them. So I don't know if you can sort of see in there, but yeah. So. Again, no recoil. I don't see any of the nails or anything. Alright, so. Now the next one is like one of those dog tag chains with 2 washers around it. So I'm gonna step back a little bit for this and see what happens. I'm guessing the chain, actually you can see the dots from the chain right here. Yeah, didn't do what I wanted to do, but... Oh, and there's another little mark from the chain. Huh. Alright. The next one is my favorite. It's razor blades. Miniature razor blades. Yeah, so this should be pretty interesting. And it also had shotgun pellets in it. Oh, you can see a piece of razor blade right here. Actually, it went in and broke off. I don't see any more razor blades in this. But you come back here, and oh, there was a piece. Damn, there's one. There's another one. Yeah, definitely would not want to be shot by that. And so yeah, that was basically it. You know, make some cool comments and stuff. Later.